Good morning, hola, marhaba, bonjour, and ni hao. I, Mohamed Aboshanab, am related or relative or the family of Boris Johnson. No, that's not a joke. That's actually a fact. Boris Johnson was born in the US. I was born in Egypt. Boris Johnson have a family roots in Turkey, and he went there and met them. His roots in Turkey are Muslim family, but now he's not. And I am a Muslim and I have roots in Turkey. So we are relatives. That's how the human beings are relatives. If you dig deep into your roots, you will find that you are family related or relatives with many people you never been expect. So after like 100 to 200 years, and now we share a lot. He's British and I'm British. Okay, that's one thing, something to proud of. And then he's a member of Conservative Party, and also I'm a member of Conservative Party. I don't agree with many things they do, especially after Brexit, but that's something else for another video. So we are all related, but you never know who roots you have or who other connections you have. You have seen many YouTubers and influencers who have done the DNA test, and they found that they have roots scattered everywhere of the world. That's the truth, that we are the same. We are not different. Appreciate all the likes and comments. If you just subscribe to the channel or follow wherever you are watching, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support, and happy to answer all your questions about travel, immigrations, visas, building a global lifestyle, and have a good day. Bye bye.